Plantar fasciitis, heel pain, arch pain, foot tingling are all signals that you need relief now. Introducing Futsuki, the pain-relieving reflexology mat that once you step on, the pain is gone.
That pain there is gone.
Feels like pure relief. When I stepped on Futsuki, my pain was gone.
Futsuki combines the ancient art of reflexology with innovative healing design to create the world's best relieving foot care breakthrough.
My feet don't ache me. My pain is gone.
I've had plantar fasciitis for 2 or 3 years. Stepping on this, it feels a lot better. I don't want to get off now.
Look, the minute you step on Futsuki, you'll begin to feel the over 2,800 reflexology points start to massage the heels, arch, pad, and toes of your feet, sending pain-relieving signals.
The Futsuki is based on reflexology. Reflexology works with the pressure points on the bottom of the feet to help reduce pain and to help circulation.
Futsuki was designed to provide temporary relief for heel pain, arch pain, even foot tingling.
Wow, it works. Hey, Linda, this is really